How to voice over in CapCut. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. First, launch your CapCut. Now go to Edit. Select a video in which you want to voice over. And now go to Audio and you will see the option of Record. Simply tap on it and from here you will be able to do voiceover very easily. You'll just have to tap or press and hold to record. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any questions, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.